we're back on another video. So today we're gonna be doing I think this is a little like special video kind of. So I did a little mukbang about McDonald's. You can go check that out. It's pretty vile. So I'm doing it on Timbits cereal. I haven't tried this, and I've been just waiting all day just to try this, so you guys can see what my reaction is. So I will read some of the stuff. Okay, so there's 326 gigs of calories, something like that. Calories 140, 190%. It looks like this. I got the chocolate kind. My parents got it, so let's open this bad boy up. Ooh. Alright, let's open it up. Oh, it's kind of hard. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna take, looks like that. I'm gonna open it. Looks like that. I don't know if you can see anything. It looks like black. It actually smells pretty good. Here's my spoon. Here's my okay. Alright, I'll let you guys see it. Oh crap. That was not complaining. This, okay, I'll give you some texture. This smells like almost like cookie, no, like baked something, but I'm gonna add the milk. Add it. This is way too much, but I can try to finish it. Okay. Alright. Stick that spoon in there. Alright. Alright, put the milk over there. So if this thing's really sugary, I have water. So we're going in. First bite. Tastes like regular cereal. Cereal. Did it rip me off? Does not taste like it. Tastes like regular chocolate cereal. Honestly. Doesn't really taste like Timbits. Like, I know what Timbits tastes like, but like I see YouTubers like I've seen YouTubers like doing stuff like this too, but So my mother went out and bought me this. It's pretty good though, but it doesn't really taste like Timbits. This is what it looks like. This little thing. Honestly, you could like nick someone, like, you know, cat treats. Like, you can actually trick someone by putting cat treats inside their food, but I know that's disgusting. It'd probably be a good prank. But let's not talk about that. Let's not. I know you guys in the chat are gonna hate me. I'm gonna have more milk. Tastes too sweet. I need more milk. It's too sweet without it. You know, so I gotta drink more one or two. Alright, we got a little bit more. Oh, nobody popped out. So go in for